My name is Kaden McKelvey, and today I'll be comparing two operating systems for my operating systems class. I'll be covering several features of Parrot and Archcraft, from package managers to design philosophies and even some security details. I'll start by discussing the package managers each operating system uses. Parrot uses apt, which you might recognize, while Archcraft uses pacman. Apt provides a stable, easy-to-use experience catering towards beginners, while pacman focuses on speed and customization, preferred by advanced users. Right here are two examples of how you would use these package managers: sudo apt upgrade, sudo pacman-syu. This chart right here is a solid overview of the two package managers we just talked about, obviously ignoring DNF because it doesn't apply. Apt is shown to have an average performance slightly slower than pacman, but it's very easy to use and it's widely supported. Pacman, on the other hand, is a lot faster, but not so beginner-friendly. Next, I'll go over the desktop environments of each operating system. Parrot's default desktop environment is Mate, while Archcraft uses a window manager, instead defaulted to OpenBox. OpenBox allows for a more customizable experience than Mate, with fully modifiable themes, layouts, and key bindings. This picture right here shows someone that went all out to fully customize their Archcraft operating system, which looks pretty cool. Parrot will have a more minimalistic design and look simpler. We just showed a sick Archcraft operating system setup, so it's only fair we do the same for Parrot. You can see Parrot still has the potential to look cool, but has a clear lower ceiling in comparison to Archcraft. You will find that your average Archcraft OS looks more advanced than the average Parrot OS due to the tools you have available. Design philosophy is our next topic. Parrot is mainly designed for security, privacy, and stability, with a target audience aimed towards security professionals, hackers, and developers. On the other hand, Archcraft focuses on speed, customization, and minimalism, catered towards experienced Linux users and developers. Parrot balances usability with security tools, while Archcraft prioritizes flexibility and performance, even if it demands more technical skill than something like Parrot. To dumb it down, Parrot versus Archcraft is simply a battle of strength versus speed. Continuing on, we have security features. Parrot has security tools such as AppArmor and built-in firewall tools like UFW, while Archcraft uses pacman to sign packages for verification, along with UFW. Both operating systems release updates frequently, but Archcraft takes the cake for the quickest, thanks to it being a rolling release distribution. A common vulnerability for Parrot is a network attack. This can be mitigated by your average firewall. In this case, UFW. A vulnerability for Archcraft is outdated software, but due to it being a rolling release distribution, constant updates will mitigate this. Finally, we have support and documentation. Parrot has a strong support community, specifically in Linux communities and cybersecurity. There are several online guides and tutorials available for beginners. Archcraft has a smaller official community, but a lot of information can be found in Arch Linux forums or the Arch Wiki. However, unfortunately, there's a steeper learning curve with a lot more information to digest and a higher skill ceiling, essentially. Documentation can seem overwhelming at first in comparison to anything you would learn on Parrot. Overall, you will find that Parrot balances security, stability, and ease of use and access, while Archcraft mixes performance with control and customization. If you are looking for secure, stable, everyday use, Parrot is for you. If you are an experienced Linux user wanting to try something new with a fast, highly customizable operating system, Archcraft is for you. These are all my sources. Use the given distro watch to find these operating systems and explore websites like the Archcraft wiki and Parrot operating system documentation. Thank you for your time.